Welcome back to Care Provider. Today we are talking about something very important for your health, blood pressure. What is it? Why does it matter? And what do the numbers really mean? Let's understand it in the easiest way possible. Section 1. What is blood pressure? Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. Every time your heart beats, it pumps blood into the arteries. This creates pressure. There are two types of systolic and diastolic pressure. Systolic pressure, the pressure when the heart beats. Diastolic pressure, the pressure when the heart is resting between beats. For example, if someone's blood pressure is 120 by 80 mmHg, 120 is systolic, 80 is diastolic. mmHg stands for millimeters of mercury, a standard unit for measuring BP. Section 2. Normal blood pressure. So, what is normal? A normal blood pressure is less than 120 by 80 mmHg. If your reading is between 90/60ths and 120 by 80, you're in the healthy range. This means your heart and blood vessels are working well. But if it's too high or too low, it can be dangerous. Let's understand both. Section 3. High blood pressure, hypertension. If your BP is 130 by 80 mmHg or higher, that's called high blood pressure or hypertension. Why is it risky? High BP puts more pressure on your arteries. Over time, it can cause heart disease, stroke, eye problems, kidney failure. Common causes include stress, too much salt, no exercise, obesity, smoking. Tip: always check your BP regularly, especially after age 30. Section 4. Low blood pressure, hypertension. Now, let's talk about low blood pressure or hypertension. If BP is below 90/60ths mmHg, it may cause dizziness, fainting, fatigue, blurred vision. This can happen due to dehydration, long bed rest, or certain medications. For some people, low BP is normal and not dangerous, but if you feel weak, get checked. Section 5. How to check and control BP. How to measure BP. You can use a manual sphygmomanometer with stethoscope, a digital BP monitor, easy at home. How to maintain healthy BP. Eat a balanced diet, low salt, more fruits. Exercise 30 minutes a day. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Manage stress with breathing or prayer. So now you know what blood pressure is and why it's so important. Check it regularly. Take care of your heart. And always stay informed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Care Provider for more simple and helpful health videos.